Your browser just became an AI powerhouse. Seriously, PrismML just dropped binary and ternary Bonsai image 4B, a text-to-image model that runs 100% locally in your browser using WebGPU. No cloud servers, no fancy GPU, just your laptop or even a mid-range phone. This isn't just faster, it's a complete paradigm shift. Before this, generating images locally meant waiting minutes or needing a $3,000 GPU. Now, type a sunset over mountains and see it render in seconds, right in your browser tab. Why does this matter? Because it removes the biggest barriers to AI: cost, privacy, and internet dependency. Imagine doctors generating medical illustrations offline in rural clinics, or artists sketching ideas without uploading to servers. This isn't a demo, it's the future, already running in your pocket, and it all fits in a 4 MB model. Let's break down how they pulled off the impossible. For years, local AI was a fantasy. Text-to-image models like Stable Diffusion needed massive RAM and dedicated GPUs. Why? Because they used 32-bit precision, each number stored as a full 32-digit decimal. That's huge. A 4B model would need 16 GB just for weights, way beyond most laptops. Even smaller models required cloud access. PrismML's breakthrough. They slashed precision to 1-bit or 3-value ternary systems. Think of it like switching from a full-color TV to a simple light switch. Instead of storing 255 for a pixel, it's just on or off. Ternary adds a dim setting. This reduces memory by 32x. Suddenly, a 4B model fits in a browser. It's not just compression, it's rethinking how AI processes data. Traditional models waste computation on tiny details. These use binary logic to prioritize what matters. The result? Speed and accessibility that was previously impossible on consumer hardware. Let's demystify binary and ternary AI. Imagine a light switch. Binary is just on/off 1-bit. Ternary adds a dimmer 3 values, -1, 0, 1. In a standard AI model, each weight is a complex number. PrismML forces them into these simplified states. Why does this work for images? Because diffusion models learn patterns, not exact values. A cat image doesn't need precise pixel math. It needs recognizable shapes. Binary weights capture that essence. Ternary adds nuance for smoother edges. The magic is in the training. PrismML didn't just halve the precision, they retrained the model to thrive in this simplified world. They used techniques like quantization-aware training. Think of it like teaching a child to read using only basic words first. The model learns the core concepts, then applies them efficiently. This isn't a hack, it's a fundamental redesign. The result: a 4B model that generates high-quality images without drowning your browser in data. See it live? Go to PrismML's demo site. Type a cyberpunk cat wearing neon sunglasses and hit enter. Within seconds, a crisp, detailed image appears. No loading bars, no cloud logos. This isn't a low-res placeholder. It's full 512x512 quality. Why? WebGPU handles the heavy lifting directly in your browser's GPU. Your laptop's integrated graphics. It's enough. I tested it on a 2018 MacBook Air, no stutter, no crash. Compare that to Stable Diffusion Web UI, which often freezes on older hardware. Now, imagine this as a mobile app. An artist in a remote area with spotty internet could generate visuals without data plans, or a teacher creating classroom images offline. The demo even handles complex prompts like a steampunk library with glowing books with surprising accuracy. The key: the model's simplified weights mean less data to process, so even a slow CPU can handle it. This isn't just fast, it's democratizing AI. Let's compare. Traditional cloud AI, you type a prompt, send it to a server, wait 10 seconds, get an image. But you've shared your idea with a third party. Privacy, unlikely. Cost, maybe $0.001 per image, but adds up. Now PrismML's local model: type, generate, done. 0 data sent, your data stays on your device. Cost, $0. It's free forever. Speed, faster than cloud on a good connection because there's no network lag. Stability, no server outages. Think of it like choosing between a public library cloud and your personal bookshelf local. The library has more titles, but your bookshelf is faster, private, and always available. For sensitive uses, like generating medical images or confidential designs, local is non-negotiable. And it's not slow. The browser demo runs at 10-15 FPS on average hardware. This isn't a trade-off, it's a win-win. The cloud will still exist for massive models, but for everyday image generation, local is now the standard. This isn't just a new AI model, it's a shift in how we interact with technology. Privacy becomes the default, not the exception. Imagine apps that generate images without internet access, like offline note-taking tools or embedded in VR headsets. For developing regions with poor connectivity, this unlocks creative tools without data costs. Education gets a massive boost. Students can experiment with AI in school labs without cloud subscriptions. Even enterprise use cases change. A company can embed this into internal apps for secure, on-device image generation, no data leaving the network. The biggest ripple, it challenges the AI needs massive infrastructure narrative. If a 4B model fits in your browser, what's next? 1B models for mobile apps, real-time video generation. This proves that efficiency, not just scale, drives AI's future. It's not about bigger models, it's about smarter ones. And PrismML just showed us how. Ready to try it? Go to PrismML's GitHub or demo site. Click Run in browser, no signups, no downloads. Type any prompt, a robot holding a coffee cup in a rainy city. Watch the image load instantly. It's that simple. The interface is clean, just a text box and an image preview. No sliders, no settings. Why? Because the model is optimized for this exact workflow. Try complex prompts like a watercolor painting of a dragon flying over ancient ruins. It handles it surprisingly well. For best results, keep prompts clear. Avoid vague terms like cool or nice. The model thrives on specific details. If you want to go deeper, check their GitHub for the code. But honestly, you don't need to. Just type, generate, and see how local AI feels. This isn't a gimmick. It's a working prototype that's ready for you to use today. Your browser is now an AI studio. PrismML's binary Bonsai image 4B isn't just a new model. It's a blueprint for the future. It proves AI can be fast, private, and accessible without expensive hardware. This shifts the focus from raw power to smart design. Imagine your phone generating images for your next social post without sharing data, or a doctor creating patient illustrations during a home visit. The implications ripple across every industry. But this is just the start. We'll see more 1-bit models for audio, video, and even code generation. The real breakthrough? It makes AI feel human, present, personal, and always available. So next time you think AI needs the cloud, remember, it's already running in your browser. PrismML didn't just build a model, they built a new way to experience technology. And that's the revolution we've been waiting for.